First of all, let me introduce ZTE comparison. ZTE comparison was founded in 1985 as a global telecom manufacturer. ZTE is committed to provide customer communication products and services to customers around the world. Currently, we have 80,000 employees and 107 branches around the world. As a high-tech company in field of IT and CT domain, we have lighting R&D center around the world. The products include 4G and 5G wireless, mobile device, core network, fixed network, IT, hardware, and cloud computing. As a high-tech company dedicated to development of IT and CT products, ZTE has invested a lot of manpower and material resources in the standard field and achieves remarkable achievement. We have more than 50 membership in international organizations and forums, more than 30 lead seats in standard organizations, 815 LTE fundamental patents, which is 13,000 global share. We have more than 40,000 international standard proposals. In 3GPP, we have 67 3GPP report seats, and we have 800 experts for 3GPP LTE domain. We have more than 17,000 3GPP standard proposals, and we have more than 3,500 3GPP 5G standard proposals. ZTE has established a long-term relationship with as many as 500 operators all around the world and committed to provide a great communication experience to the public. Next, let's take a look about ZTE contributes to OpenStack community. Since joining OpenStack Foundation in 2013, ZTE provides a lot of manpower in OpenStack Foundation and was honored to become gold member in 2016. Currently, we have more than 200 developers involved in the work of the foundation. We have 2 official project PTL, which is Merano and Solon. We have 9 co-membership in 9 official projects, such as Zone, Watcher, and so on. We have contributed a new project, TECS. In the last 3 versions, ZTE's multiple indicators, including completed BPs, commits, reviews, resolved bugs, LOC are among the best. ZTE provided the first TECS version based on Ice House in 2014, till the current version, TECS 6, based on OpenStack Pike. ZTE contributed a new project, DESI, to the OpenStack community. TECS provides automated Dockerized deployment and management of OpenStack and other distributed systems. We provide TECS for NFV, which is the installer project based on TECS of OpenStack has been approved in OpenNFV. The Murano project introduces an application catalog service, enabling application developer and system administrator publish the cloud-ready application in catalog. The Solon project is designed to provide software development lifecycle automatic service platform. ZTE is leading this project and earns PTLs. The Zong project provides an OpenStack container service that integrated with various container technologies for managing application container on OpenStack. ZTE has one core in Zong and is leading in the completed blueprints in Zong. And ZTE earns 9 co-members in this project, such as Watcher, Sailing, and Wirechange, and so on. Now, ZTE released the most important TECS version of this year. TECS is as cloud computing and management platform, aiming to provide virtualized management upon the computer, storage, and network resources, and build a cloud environment for the users rapidly. TECS provide policy-based as service and application development service upon the heterogeneous cloud environment of multiple DCs. TECS has passed the RefStack test and been authorized to use the OpenStack-powered logo. This is TECS platform framework. First, TECS platform and hardware loosely coupled. So, TECS platform can be deployed over the ZTE hardware or the third-party hardware. TECS computer provides virtual computer service by KVM and Docker technologies. The virtual storage service uses distributed storage system, CIF, as its core technology. Virtual network service is provide high performance interconnector between virtual machines through OVS and DBTK. TECS OpenStack provide as cloud platform for virtual machine and bare metal, and OpenPalette is for container. As the carrier class released version enhanced based on OpenStack and tablets, the TECS OpenStack and OpenPalette provide virtualized management platform, and in order to meet the requirement of application, it provides high performance, high security, high reliability, and automatic operation and maintenance. As a multi-DC cloud management platform over the TECS resource pool and the third-party public cloud and the private cloud, TECS Direct provide cloud management capabilities for heterogeneous cloud environments across multi-DC. And it provides self-service interface and administrator interface, so end users can use the AS service easily, and the system administrator can monitor the uses of the cloud. TECS provides unified management across multi-clouds, including IT clouds and CTNVI clouds. The unified resource pool is formed logically to improve the usage of separated cloud. And TECS provides VDC service in base of the unified resource pool. TECS provides unified management of virtual machine, container, and bare metal, and provide the graphical relationship of them for the daily maintenance and fault location. TECS provides unified management and orchestration of heterogeneous cloud environment, include the third-party OpenStack-based resource pool and VMware resource pool. It can provide the sharing of the heterogeneous cloud environment and provide an open ecosystem. ZTE provides unified management of public cloud and private cloud, and provide hybrid cloud service while guaranteeing the data security. The enterprise can use the public cloud service for the low costs. In order to enhance the computing performance, we apply the NUMA, huge page, real-time OS technologies. So the computer performance has more than doubled. In order to enhance the network performance, we use the DBDK SRIOV technology. Then the high performance, no latency requirement of telecom application should be met. The storage performance, we apply the SIF technology. We provide the file storage, object storage, and block storage in unified platform. And it has advantages such as low costs of general server and high availability due to low single-point fault and automatic load balancing, automatic protection. TECS provide a unified topologic presentation. It achieves the display of resources in the entire network and presents the connected relationship between system resources and the dependency between resources and the service from multiple angles and multiple layers. TECS support graphical installation, deployment, and upgrade. With the 1K deployment, installation, and upgrade, we provide the auto discovery and the management of device, and it can be simplifying the installation, deployment, and upgrades of the device. We provide complete log system function. We provide system health level analysis. We provide system alarm association. And TECS provides 3-level redundancy from local HA, local dual leave, to the geographical redundancy. So the TECS can be met the system reliability requirement, like 5% of the telecom application. At the same time, we provide the integrated security solution, include network layer, host layer, and service layer. In addition to following the latest OpenStack version, Pike, what new features does the TECS 6 also have? We provide unified management and orchestration for container virtual machine by Metal, and we provide DevOps platform of microservice architecture. So it provides the 5G cloud-native network slicing and rapid deployment. As the 5G, especially IoT commercialization, because of high performance, low latency, lightweight deployment, the edge computing becomes the focus of the industry. TECS 6 provides HDC solution. It provides lightweight all-in-one virtualized resource pool and the centralized unified management and backup disaster recovery strategy. At the same time, based on the hardware acceleration technology, we provide FPGA network card for network performance acceleration. The FPGA network card, through the flow table sync, reduce the CPU load and improve and provide the high performance for the network forwarding performance. With the TECS platform, we build a win-win open ecosystem. TECS is compatible with ETSI NFVI standard. So the third-party hardware and third-party VNF can be connected easily. We support the most mainstream server, disk array, host OS, guest OS, VNF, and Melo. Finally, let us summarize. Due to the global material of the field, IT and CT domain, ZTE offered a competitive resource pool solution. It supports cloud and network integrate, telecom enhancement, high reliability and security, and provide open compatibility. So ZTE TECS solution provides the best solution for the IT and CT convergence application. We are very proud to share with you the TECS market experience. Because of the excellent product capabilities, we gain more than 240 commercial and trial projects in the field of IT cloud and CT NFVI cloud. It includes Chinese 3 operator and Welcome Telefonica, Velo, and so on. The Shanghai Telecom Cloud Management Platform is the biggest cloud management platform in China. It manages 50 DCs, 50,000 physical servers, 1 million virtual machines, more than 8 kinds of cloud systems. Through automatic O&M, it reduces 50% workload. Through resource sharing, it improves 40% resource use ratio. The world's first commercial fully virtualized core network in Welcome, complete decoupling of software and hardware, reduce CapEx and OpEx, smooth migration of 5 million and 600,000 users, multi-dimensional elastic scalability, capacity CPU load, TPS, 1K out deployment, save the TTM of new service. Due to the excellent product capabilities, the project won the 2017 annual report of Telecom Australia. We get the 12 countries NFVI project of VIL. The platform is compatible with the third-party hardware and third-party VNF, so it shows the great functions. Finally, thank you for your listening.